Welcome back. Now let me introduce you to angle properties of parallel lines. Now we have looked at a number of properties. We have been ushered with introduction, and then we saw how to read angles or measure angles in place. Now the third one is on angle properties of parallel lines. So if you are new on the channel, this is chapter 7 of the Acula Core Math series for SHS students, right? Now, before we actually zoom into the properties of parallel lines, I would like us to look at another measurement or how to draw using a special set of tools in your mathematical sets. We call it what? The set square. If you look in your typical mathematical set, there's a set of tools. They are triangular in shape. There are two. One is 45, the longer one, and the longer and bigger one. And then we have the other one, which is a relatively smaller. That is the one is called the 60-30 set square. Now these sets of tools are used to draw or sketch accurately, relatively accurate vertical lines, horizontal lines, and even the diagonal lines. So they help us to draw this accurately. I told you, in as much as we can't get precision of 100% accuracy when we are drawing these lines or angles, we should try as much as possible to stay closer to this precision. So these tools actually help us to do that. Now, once again, I don't have a typical mathematical set with me whilst I'm teaching, but I'll use the diagrams, the images in the book to help you do that. So in your mathematical sets, with the description given, you will know which of these that I'm talking about, right? So before we go into the drawing of, or if I'm looking at the properties of parallel lines, we first have to be able to draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, and probably a vertical line using this special set. Now, in practice, in our schools, we don't usually use them for accuracy. Sometimes we do them with our free hands. But for accuracy, maybe in exams and all that, in practice, because other fields demand, engineering and all, visual art students will need this.